So yo, what is up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some blood overhaul, and we're gonna like kill some people or something. I don't know. This game is very bloody. So let's begin. Let's see. I'm gonna start off in the scenario section. We don't want a stupid revolver. I have a good setup with an AK-47, an M4A1, and a Remington A870. Now let's go kill somebody. Ooh! Let's turn the sound up a bit. Heck yeah. Here, Mom, get the death note. Insta kill. Fatality. Oh, a policeman. Oh, you think a stupid revolver's gonna stop a bullet through your brain? Oh, the wealthy man? I've seen some homeless people back here. We should have donated to them. Oh, yeah. Okay, now where is the cashier? Dead. You dead. You dead. I said dead. I said dead. Die. Ha ha ha. Serial killer? I'm gonna kill your serial. He looks like that one creepy Pokemon had like Soul Silver or something. I can't remember. Hello? You're a shopper. Your brain. Give me all the money in the cash register. No. How'd you take that many bullets? No matter what. What admin? Cavemen. I mean, yeah, now she's dead. Wait, SpongeBob, we're not cavemen. We have technology. Oh, you're a vegetarian? You like that, vegan teacher? Eat that. At a store owner. Give us all your money. Mission complete. Really? A pistol. This. Is that, okay, I thought it said shooter. Ah! What? No. What? Michael! Oh, you didn't like that? You didn't like that? You didn't like being shot in the head? Oh, please stop hitting me with this cage with a metal crowbar. Oh, ouchies. Oh. Does that say Wednesday? I'm more of a Friday person. Why are you making man so by shooting because you have no body part? Jano, you want it? You Asian guy? You look Asian. You look like a SoundCloud rapper. You look like some guy. You look like Eminem's cousin or something. Give me all your money. No. That's what you get. Are you gonna get up? Yep. Maybe another time. Another time. Time. Please stop moving. Screaming. The more times you do that, thank you. I'm gonna use this off-brand porta potty. This porta potty looks like it's from Ohio. Speaking of you, you're about to be torn into a monster from Ohio. Whoa! What? Michael! Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! 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 Don't leave me here! Oh, but I think we're gonna have to leave the video here because I am clearly stuck and I don't know what is happening. Oh, we made it. Wait, now we're into serial killer. We just switched rooms. No matter what. Next time we may explore like something. I don't know. Anyway.